In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use locations in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a business with multiple sites or just want to track transactions by different areas, this feature can be invaluable for keeping your records organized and insightful. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enable and use this functionality to better manage your financial data. First things first, before we can use the locations feature, we'll need to enable it in QuickBooks Online. To do this, begin by navigating to the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard and look for the gear icon. Found it? Great. Go ahead and click it. This will open a menu with various options. From here, select Account and Settings. This is where you can tweak your current settings to suit your business needs. Once you've clicked on Account and Settings, take a look at the left-hand panel and find the tab labeled Advanced. Go ahead and click on that. In the Advanced tab, you'll see a section for categories. This is where we want to head. Click on Categories to edit it. Now, you should see an option labeled Track Locations. You'll notice a switch next to it. Simply click this switch to turn it green, indicating that it's enabled. With the Locations feature now active, you can start organizing your transactions more effectively by adding specific locations to them. Now that you've got the Locations feature up and running, let's see how you can apply it. Head over to Transactions on the left panel of your QuickBooks dashboard. Within this menu, click on the Bank Transactions tab. This area lists all the transactions that are linked to your bank accounts, providing a comprehensive overview of your financial activity. Next, pick a transaction on this list that you'd like to categorize by location. Click on it to open the transaction details. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to assign a location to the transaction. It's that simple. Select the location that corresponds to this transaction from the drop-down list, and you're all set. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've enabled and started using the Locations feature in QuickBooks Online, a powerful tool that can really enhance the way you track and analyze your financial transactions. Whether you're managing a variety of departments, projects, or physical locations, being able to assign locations to transactions will provide you more clarity and organization over your business finances. Remember, staying organized is key to effective financial management, and QuickBooks Online has these features built in to help make your accounting work smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video if you found it helpful. Now, go ahead and start tracking those locations.